Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And even if I'm not going to be able to get to it this year, you can put these seeds in a dark space and come back to them a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Seeds are such a miracle item. I mean, they don't go bad.
Right. As long as you store them correctly, they absolutely will last forever. I mean, we have seeds that are thousands of years old that we have conserved, right? And like you were saying earlier, like we are now getting to the point where we're down to like 20 something varieties of cauliflower when there were like hundreds of varieties. And so saving your seeds and us doing these type of events where we're passing them down to each other is so important to preserve the varieties.
All right, so let's get back to fall garden planting. We've got our seeds now, or we will in 2 weeks, or we have them from a previous seed up.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.